guys, I was right here, so I was playing my Switch, also watching videos of it, and it came to me. What if I can make a TV into it? Which is exactly what I'm thinking made, which I already made. I'm going to teach you guys how I made this TV out of cardboard. Let's get to it. First, you need a piece of paper, and I use the screen to use it as the outline. Use it as a pen to use that to make the outline. Once you're done drawing, use your thick scissors and just cut it out the outlines of it. Next, you use that paper to do the same thing, but with cardboard, you make 2 pieces of it. Then you measure pieces of cardboard for the size and top and bottom. Then I used the same paper to measure, basically drew out the outline of it and just use it for the screen part. Then with hot glue, I can just glue them together. Along with that, I made some legs for the TV. And just for fun, I use more cardboard to make like the top part screen, like the power wherever. This was where the antennas is gonna be. So I just use a top cardboard and 2 extra pieces of cardboard for the sides. Once we're done with the tiny box, I use an X-Acto knife to make the holes, and I use some bendy straws for the antennas and cover it with bits of duct tape. Once done, I put the antennas in the mini box, and I put the mini box on top of the cardboard that's going to be like the roof of the TV. Once the roof part of it is done, I use these I made more holes, and I use twist ties to make it as the lid of the TV. That way to put my Switch inside of it. I even add cardboard for the inside of the TV to like hold the screen in when putting the Switch inside of the TV. And I even add more cardboard for decorations of it, like the buttons or the switches, or even the ventilations of the TV. And I add like the back part of where the TV is making. So here's how I able to make the back part of it with more cardboard. Once we're done building it, we're gonna paint it. I use orange and black paint for the whole TV, along with gray for the antennas, and also some green and red for the buttons, and also some like silver marker and sharpening it for the switches. Once all that is done, I use clear spray paint to seal all of this stuff, and we're basically done. Then I put my Switch screen on the TV and turn it on. Just look how and how the way it sounds. That's how I made this TV, and I'm able to play video games alongside my videos. So yeah. Anyway, this has been Osman here. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It's Osman here. Sign out.